Hi everybody, it's Cindy the Scrapologist. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. And if you're not, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification button down below so that you don't miss any free tutorials on junk journals, card making, mini albums, and all sorts of paper crafts. Would love to have you be part of the community. So today I'm just doing a quick video to show you a new kit that I finally have in my shop. This has taken me about 6 months to do because one of the reasons is that this is a well, it's a rare book that I got from a library. I got it in a PDF format, and I had to convert it all to JPEGs and then Photoshop it, etc., so that I could use it. And I'll tell you, if I was a millionaire, I would just have a room completely full of rare books. I love books from the 1700s and other rare books, and this is one of them. This is watercolor flowers and plants. This was done approximately, they think approximately 1740. And they're just absolutely beautiful. The problem I'm having is there are 450 images, and I love every one of them, and I can't decide which ones to put in the kit. So maybe I'll make two kits, two or three kits. I don't know. I can't decide. Within the next few days, these will be in my shop, and you'll know. Probably when I know. Etsy only lets you put so many files as a digital download, so I do have to pare this down. But what I did was I made it to print on 8.5 by 11 paper. I did print borderless printing on mine because I didn't want the border, but they're all ready to just fold in half and put in a journal, and you pretty much get an image on each side. Um, your images are going to be a little lighter than this because I printed mine on vintage newsprint paper. So mine are a little darker than what yours are going to be if you print them on regular white paper, but they still have that beautiful patina because the book is so old. I'm going to include a whole bunch of these, enough to make a small journal, at least 2 signatures. And I'm still working on this, but this is the book. Well, it goes this way. This is the book cover. Leather. It's just absolutely to die for. And if you are somebody, I made a watercolor one signature journal, but if you're somebody who likes to cover hardcover books and make journals out of them, this will be perfect. You will be able to print this at any size you want. And I'm also going to include, I'm still working on this too, but I'm also going to include the spine, so that if you have a hardcover book and you want to put this on the front and that on the spine, it will look gorgeous. The original was a folio, so it opened this way, and then there was another piece that opened this way. And yeah, it's just, I wish I could really touch this and feel this in real life. But anyway, the other thing I'm going to include, if I could find one, is a piece of coffee stained paper, so that you can print these double-sided if you want, and you have something nice on the back side. That's how I printed most of mine. These are, let me just flip through some of these and show you some of the images. Now these are prototypes. I made a little boo-boo. I was doing some sewing and they have errors. It has sewing holes in it, but you'll get the idea. I just want to show you a few of these. So there's an image on each side, as well as in a beautiful script the name of the plant. A lot of them are green, but there is, whoopsie, some color. And I'm going to try to include a lot of the colored ones in the first kit that I do. So look at the listing and you'll see the specific ones that you're going to get. Love this one. So these are just samples. I don't want to flip through the whole thing. You'll be able to see in the listing the kind of images. They're all beautiful. So what I did was just made a little one signature journal. I did use wallpaper. I'm going to put the link below on how I make these little mini one signature books. You don't have to use wallpaper. You can use anything you want. You could use a cereal box and put this on it. I have this sized extra small right now because I'm going to do something with it. But it just looks really gorgeous in a journal, and you could do it this way so that you have a plant and then you can take notes. Obviously you can collage on top of these, but I think that there's the coffee stained paper. I just think it just makes a gorgeous journal. Such a nice gift for somebody. I mean, who doesn't like plants and flowers, right? In the center, I just laid out, I wanted to have the center spread look like this. So I folded it. Some of the pages I folded this way and some I folded this way, just to give it some variety. I just sewed this, so I'm recreasing it. These images are just so beautiful. And then there's the last one. So this kit, by the time this video shows, this kit will be available in my shop. It's going to, I don't have a name for it yet, probably watercolor flowers and plants. That's what it's called at the library, so I'll probably use that as a name. And like I said, there's a tutorial below on how to make a really quick little journal like this. And I hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.